Modern cities never rest. People chase goals, deadlines, and convenience, often unaware that a slow metabolic storm brews within. Across the globe, millions face rising blood sugar levels long before diabetes is diagnosed. Prediabetes is the early stage of a growing global crisis. It begins quietly, when blood sugar rises above normal, but remains below diabetic thresholds. The danger lies in its silence, progressing unnoticed for years. Inside the bloodstream, glucose molecules travel endlessly. In prediabetes, the body's cells stop responding properly to insulin. Excess sugar remains in circulation, slowly damaging nerves, blood vessels, and organs. Diabetes now affects 1 in 10 adults worldwide. Half remain unaware until complications strike. The economic and health burden has become one of humanity's greatest public health challenges. In India, lifestyle changes have accelerated this crisis. Refined diets, sedentary jobs, and stress have made prediabetes common even among young adults. The problem is no longer restricted to the overweight. Long hours, irregular sleep, and processed foods alter the body's rhythm. The pancreas struggles to regulate sugar. Over time, the imbalance becomes the foundation for chronic disease. A groundbreaking study published in Nature has changed the conversation. It shows that reducing belly fat alone can reverse prediabetes, even without major weight loss. Researchers studied fat stored deep inside the abdomen, called visceral fat. Unlike the fat under the skin, visceral fat surrounds vital organs and triggers harmful metabolic changes. 2 people may weigh the same, yet their risk of disease differs greatly. Those with more belly fat carry higher danger of diabetes, heart disease, and insulin resistance. After 1 year of structured lifestyle change, participants who reduced belly fat, not just total body weight, achieved remission of prediabetes. The result redefined how medicine views fat loss and metabolic health. The Nature study followed over 1,000 participants with prediabetes. Researchers tracked their lifestyle, body fat, and insulin response for 1 year, revealing a crucial link between abdominal fat and metabolic health. Visceral fat lies deep around organs like the liver, pancreas, and intestines. Unlike surface fat, it releases inflammatory substances that disturb insulin function and raise blood sugar levels. Those who engaged in regular movement and balanced meals showed greater reduction in belly fat. Their insulin sensitivity improved, even without visible weight change on the scale. Medical imaging revealed the truth. Participants who reduced visceral fat achieved stable glucose control. Those who lost weight but kept belly fat did not show the same improvement. The finding was revolutionary. Reducing fat location, not only fat quantity, became the new target. This insight shifted the focus from weight loss to metabolic correction. Lifestyle interventions combining diet and exercise can reverse prediabetes. Even moderate daily activity helps the body manage blood sugar more effectively. Insulin is the key that unlocks cells to receive glucose. But visceral fat disrupts this system, releasing chemicals that block insulin and raise blood sugar. By reducing belly fat, the cells respond better to insulin. This restores balance, lowers glucose levels, and protects the pancreas from overwork and eventual burnout. After 12 months, those who lost visceral fat achieved up to 70% reduction in future diabetes risk. Even without significant overall weight change, their metabolic systems recovered. Researchers concluded that prediabetes remission depends more on where fat is lost than how much is lost. Targeting the abdomen proved more effective than aiming for overall weight reduction. This challenges traditional thinking about obesity. A normal body weight can still hide high visceral fat, making metabolic health invisible from the outside. Visceral fat acts like an active organ, releasing hormones and inflammatory compounds that affect the liver, muscles, and pancreas. Its control is vital for sugar balance. As belly fat grows, insulin must work harder. Over time, The pancreas tires, insulin resistance increases, and blood sugar rises to dangerous levels. A growing waistline signals internal changes. Even small increases in abdominal fat can trigger metabolic disturbances long before symptoms appear. Monitoring waist size and blood sugar together gives early warnings. Reducing just a few centimeters around the abdomen can significantly improve insulin function. Subcutaneous fat lies just under the skin and is less harmful. Visceral fat, hidden deeper, presses against organs and interferes with metabolic signals. Strength training twice a week helps reduce belly fat and build lean muscle. Muscle tissue consumes more glucose, improving energy use and insulin sensitivity. Aerobic activity such as brisk walking, running, or cycling enhances blood flow and mobilizes visceral fat. Consistent moderate movement is more effective than occasional intense exercise. Diet composition plays a major role. Lower carbohydrates, moderate protein, and healthy fats from nuts and seeds reduce belly fat without extreme dieting. The study's message is clear. Fat distribution matters more than total body weight. Targeting belly fat is now the scientific frontier in reversing prediabetes and protecting long-term health. Morning exercise activates metabolism and burns stored fat faster. The first 30 minutes after waking are crucial for the body to switch from storing energy to using it. Every drop of sweat is a signal of internal repair. Regular exercise trains the body to draw energy from fat stores, gradually shrinking harmful visceral deposits. Balanced eating patterns matter more than calorie counting. Whole grains, fiber, and plant-based foods regulate sugar absorption and protect insulin balance. Skipping refined sugars in breakfast stabilizes blood sugar through the day. Simple choices like oats instead of pastries can prevent glucose spikes and hunger cycles. Reading food labels becomes a small act of control. Lowering hidden sugars from processed foods reduces fat formation, especially around the abdomen. Eating out can stay healthy. Choosing grilled or steamed foods and smaller portions helps limit excess calories that quickly turn into belly fat. Research shows diets rich in refined carbohydrates increase visceral fat. A moderate carb, high-fiber plan improves insulin efficiency and promotes fat oxidation. Healthy fats such as olive oil and nuts improve metabolic flexibility. They reduce inflammation and allow the body to burn stored fat more effectively. Hydration is essential. Water supports fat metabolism and kidney function, helping the body flush out byproducts produced during fat breakdown. At a cellular level, reduced visceral fat means less oxidative stress. This preserves mitochondria, the energy factories of cells, delaying metabolic aging. As belly fat decreases, blood flow improves. The body's tissues begin to absorb glucose efficiently, reducing the strain on the pancreas and heart. Sustained movement builds endurance. Regular walking, even 30 minutes daily, can cut diabetes risk by more than 40%. Muscle tissue burns glucose even at rest. Strength training twice a week keeps metabolism active and steadily reduces visceral fat levels. As muscle mass increases, insulin sensitivity strengthens. The body learns to channel glucose into muscle cells instead of storing it as fat. Medical monitoring is essential. Tracking blood sugar, waist circumference, and body composition helps measure real metabolic progress beyond just weight. Technology now helps track subtle improvements. Even small gains in daily activity can translate into lasting metabolic stability when maintained consistently. Sleep repairs metabolic balance. 7 hours of rest resets hormonal rhythms, lowering cortisol and preventing nighttime sugar spikes that fuel fat storage. The human body follows natural cycles. Aligning meal and sleep patterns with daylight improves insulin rhythm and reduces stress-driven eating. Healthy workplace habits matter. Replacing sugary snacks with protein-rich alternatives keeps energy steady and prevents midday blood sugar surges. Experts now agree that belly fat is the true driver of metabolic decline. Targeting its reduction through lifestyle change is the cornerstone of modern diabetes prevention. The body responds quickly to effort. Regular movement awakens dormant cells, improves insulin sensitivity, and rebalances blood sugar levels within weeks. Simple routines like stretching and yoga help reduce visceral fat. They lower stress hormones that otherwise signal the body to store more fat around the waist. Walking remains the world's most accessible medicine. 30 minutes daily improves glucose metabolism as effectively as some medications. Nutrition is the foundation of reversal. A diet rich in fiber, plant protein, and healthy fats reduces insulin spikes and restores metabolic balance. Replacing refined oils with natural ones like olive or mustard oil improves fat composition in the blood and supports liver function. Eating slowly helps digestion and allows the brain to signal fullness. This simple act prevents overeating and improves metabolic control. As belly fat decreases, muscle insulin receptors regain function. Glucose moves efficiently into cells, lowering blood sugar naturally. Studies show that even a 5 to 7% reduction in body weight can reverse prediabetes progression in most individuals. In India, targeted lifestyle intervention programs are now proving that early action can prevent millions of diabetes cases. India's fight against diabetes depends on awareness. Knowing your waistline risk is the first step toward national health transformation. When lifestyle changes succeed, numbers on the glucose meter begin to normalize, signaling a reversal of early insulin resistance. Medical monitoring ensures progress stays on track. Combining professional guidance with self-discipline multiplies success rates. Morning exercise boosts metabolism throughout the day. It trains the body to burn fat instead of storing it. Each drop of sweat carries progress. The body recalibrates, hormones balance, and stored energy begins to flow freely again. Fiber-rich foods slow sugar absorption, stabilize appetite, and clean the gut, making them crucial for reversing prediabetes. Awareness at the supermarket is a defense line. Hidden sugars and packaged foods silently increase waist fat and insulin resistance. Traditional grains like millets, lentils, and barley offer slow energy release and natural protection against glucose spikes. Hydration helps regulate digestion and kidney function. Water assists in mobilizing stored fat and flushing toxins. Every small choice counts. Avoiding late-night fried snacks protects the pancreas and supports hormonal stability. Experts emphasize that waist circumference predicts diabetes risk more accurately than body weight alone. Shared habits strengthen discipline. When families walk, cook, and rest better together, health improvements multiply. Mindful breathing lowers cortisol, reduces cravings, and improves focus on long-term lifestyle change. Quality sleep is medicine for metabolism. It allows the body to repair tissues and balance blood sugar overnight. As physical activity increases, mitochondria multiply inside cells, burning fat and improving energy production. Medical science confirms that metabolic flexibility improves when fat stores decrease, enhancing body's ability to use glucose efficiently. Improved circulation follows fat reduction. Blood carries oxygen freely, nourishing every organ with renewed strength. Regular follow-ups sustain motivation. Seeing measurable results reinforces commitment to healthier living. Tracking daily habits creates accountability. Data-driven awareness bridges intention and consistency. The movement is global. From Delhi to New York, people are rediscovering that prevention is stronger than cure. The dawn of change begins with self-awareness. Every day offers a chance to reclaim balance and longevity. Indian researchers, led by experts like Dr. Anoop Misra, reveal how abdominal fat uniquely affects South Asian populations. South Asians often store more visceral fat despite similar body weight, explaining higher diabetes rates at younger ages. As visceral fat declines, liver health improves, insulin response normalizes, and energy utilization increases. Cultural food can stay delicious and healthy. The key lies in portion control, balanced ingredients, and mindful preparation. Office lifestyles contribute to belly fat. Small habits like standing breaks and short walks make measurable impact. Rural communities offer lessons in natural movement. Physical activity woven into daily life prevents metabolic disorders. Age is not a barrier. Even those over 60 can reverse prediabetes through guided exercise and balanced nutrition. Returning to traditional diets, rich in natural fiber and protein, protects the gut and supports stable glucose control. Digital tools empower personal responsibility. Awareness through tracking builds consistent healthy behavior. The world is slowly waking up to prevention. Urban health depends on collective small changes. As belly fat reduces, fat cells release their stored lipids into the bloodstream where they are converted into energy. This process restores mitochondrial function, increases cellular vitality, and strengthens the body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar. A supportive environment accelerates transformation. Under guidance, people stay consistent, move correctly, and push beyond old limits. Accountability turns effort into habit, building long-term endurance and metabolic resilience. Sustainable change begins at home. Replacing sugary desserts with fruits and water stabilizes glucose levels, lowers insulin spikes, and reduces fat buildup around the abdomen. Consistency in such choices protects the whole family. Waist circumference is a stronger indicator of risk than body weight alone. Measuring it regularly helps detect metabolic imbalance early, allowing intervention before prediabetes turns into full diabetes. Each sunrise brings a new chance to rebuild health. Prediabetes is reversible, but time is critical. Early lifestyle action can prevent decades of medication and complications that might otherwise follow. Collective motivation sparks lasting reform. When communities move, eat well, and support each other, public health improves faster. Shared effort transforms awareness into nationwide change. Science has proven remission possible. Many people with prediabetes have restored normal glucose through persistent exercise, mindful eating, and regular monitoring. Reversal is no longer rare, it is achievable. Nutrition is medicine. A breakfast rich in fiber, healthy fats, and micronutrients steadies blood sugar for hours. Every meal is a chance to fuel wellness instead of disease. Real health brings balance. Stable energy supports work, recreation, and sleep. When blood sugar normalizes, mood improves, focus sharpens, and life regains clarity. The message transcends borders. Reducing belly fat protects humanity from a global health crisis. Begin at the core, restore metabolic balance, reverse prediabetes, and protect the future of generations.